with Withrow down 2-0. He almost throws it over his head, and he does. Here comes Campana, and he scores, and the Diamondbacks lead it 2-1. They try to give Prado the free pass. Instead, they give the D-backs the free run.
So they're going to intentionally walk Michael Brantley. And it goes to the backstop. The Indians will get a run. Here comes Kitten as he scores. How do you like that? On an attempted intentional walk.
As the go-ahead run, Ramirez at second base. First base is open now. And line drive to center field. A base hit for Cabrera, who swung at that pitch. What a smart play by Cabrera. Williams didn't get it far enough outside, and Cabrera alertly swung at it.
Well, Little League right here. It happens in
intentional walks. And there goes the runner to third as the ball gets by Castro. It doesn't matter. They're still going to walk him. That didn't work out real well.
Ask Axford to intentionally walk him. And he throws it away. Pence will make it to third. Sandoval walks.
And the ball gets away. Here comes Alexei. Yes.
Absolutely amazing. They're putting him on, and Jepson throws a wild. They just don't quit.
After Joe Madden, you almost have to stick with Balfour, even though he's walked 2 out of 3 batters he's faced, because he's only given up 1 home run. The one thing that can kill you right here is a home run, and he's only given up 1 home run.
Look at here. Look at here. It's the old Buck Showalter play. It's all the way back to the screen, and they're trying to were they trying to bait him home from third? Did he do that on purpose?
I don't think so.
Navarro just went racing back to the screen right away. And the Rangers all stay put. They don't want to. Wow, this is something. They're walking Hamilton with the bases loaded.
Joe Madden is saying here, the one thing that can kill me right now is a home run. And Josh Hamilton has hit 28 of them, and Marlon Byrd has hit 8 of them. I'm going to play the percentages. The thing is, Marlon Byrd's hitting close to 300, and now all he has to do is shoot one in the gap. And with Josh at first base, he's going to score.
Big hit for the A's right there. And the pitch is going to allow Reddick to go to third. Wow, what was that? And the 2-out rally by Detroit has given them the lead. Look out, he threw it away. Cabrera wasn't looking. Now he's going to try and get to third, and he is in there.
He got lucky.
Oh, did he? He got lucky. Turned his back to the play. Torrey hit a ball on the ground for a double play. Kinsler has walked intentionally, but that one misses up and in, and the run will score. What in the world's going on with C.C. Lee?
Left-handed hitter is the only one left is Jack Cust. On the bench you also have.
And it gets away. How about this? And he's in there safely. Oh, brother. Can you believe
We
that?
were just talking about that the other day.
Yeah, right. Remember that? Is that something?
Wow.
We've seen, what was it? There was somebody balked in a run to blow a game the other day. There was a wild pitch recently, and now this.
Just put him on.
Oh, man, did that thing take off.
What happened when you're going full ball?
They try to pitch out, and Sanchez clubs the ball to left center. McCook makes the play. Tagging is Gordon, he'll score. Ellsbury moves to third. It's a long sac fly for Sanchez, and the Yankees lead 4-1. I think they were trying to intentionally walk him, and he jumped out and got it. How about that?